canyon guys. Canyon yun guys. Tingnan natin kung anong taon to guys, ang canyon na to guys. Canyon 1775 pa guys, yung canyon na to 1775. Ito yun guys, tingnan natin kung ilang taon na to guys. Guys, 1865 guys, 1865 itong canyon na to guys. Ayan, mga canyon ng Japanese guys ha, mga pandigma ng unang panahon. Ito naman guys, silipin natin 1868 guys. Ayan, 1868 pa guys ha. Ayan, ang unang pandigma ng Japanese guys. Ito guys yung kanyang museum guys, yung napasok natin guys. Ayan guys, ayan.